217. It's not just 17 lines more than I like to have in a code file. It was also the number of assets in the New Year's sale that I already owned. That's obviously way too many to talk about. So I just wanted to share with you the top two today. The 2%, or I guess it's the 1% that I think will really apply to every project and that everybody should check out. Number one is Epic Tune Effects. If you haven't seen this before, it's just an awesome tune effects pack that I think looks great and fits into a whole bunch of game types. I found that I use this one by default now. I used to use a couple other ones that I still really like. There are lots of good ones on sale, but the Epic Tune Effects one seems to be my go-to default one. The other asset that I recommend that everybody have, in fact, I was using it earlier today in my course, was Odin Inspector. Odin Inspector and Serializer is pretty damn amazing, and it should probably be built into Unity. I've done a couple full videos on it though, so I won't go on about it, but if you haven't tried it out, maybe go grab their free demo, try it out, and then you'll want to grab it while it's half off. It's pretty damn amazing, like I said. Now, if you're not into either one of those, obviously there's lots of really cool art assets on sale. The Nature Manufacturer stuff and Infinity PVR stuff we'll be talking about tomorrow live on the show. Make sure that you come check that out. And there's some really cool game starter kits that I've used and tried out, and a couple other really awesome packs that I think are worth checking out. I'll put links for some of the ones that I've used down in the description below. Also, in the description, I'll make sure to put a link for the New Year sale that I just enabled on the website. If you go to game.courses, if you're interested in learning multiplayer game development or just want to get into game programming, there are options available for whatever you're looking for, and everything is half off for the next couple days.